Basic versus advanced. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. I'm very angry. I'm furious. I'm very happy. I'm delighted. I'm very sad. I'm devastated. It's very big. It's enormous. It's very small. It's tiny. It's very clean. It's spotless. It's very dirty. It's filthy. It's very important. It's crucial. The weather is hot. It's scorching. I am very happy. I am thrilled. I study English. I practice English. She is a good person. She is kind hearted. I am very tired. I am drained. The food is tasty. It's delicious. I don't have time. I am pressed. Can you help me? Please assist. I made a mistake. I slipped up. He is very angry. He is furious.